E. Quick sand. Answer is quicksand. F. After joining with noon, it makes afternoon. G. Spend thrift, it makes spendthrift. H. Tell tale, it makes telltale. I. Scare crow, it makes scarecrow. Out law, it gives outlaw. However, it makes however. Draw back, it makes drawback. Fortnight, it makes fortnight. Homesick, homesick it makes. Then interact, it makes interact. Everlasting, it makes everlasting. Daredevil, it makes daredevil. Overthrow, it makes overthrow. Onlooker, it makes onlooker. News and caster, it makes newscaster. So children, in this way you have to join the words and make a new word. Now let's move to question number 2. Write the correct letters in the blanks to complete the words. Missing letters are given, we have to complete the word. Number 1. A vegetable used to make salad. It is lettuce. 2. A word meaning clear, distinct. Number 3. Something that is massive and huge. It is also called gigantic. Number 4. A round roof with a circular base. It is dome. Number 5. To concentrate. It is called focus. Number 6. A wrapper or covering, especially for letters. It is envelope. The answer is envelope. Number 7. To achieve. To achieve is also called accomplish. Number 8. To watch carefully. It is observe. Number 9. To announce officially. It is also called proclaim. Number 10. That which shows you directions. What shows us directions? Compass. To change the shape of something. It is called distort. And last, to have sight. That means vision. Now let's move to page number 19, part 2, stories about children. See children, in this you may have been familiar with some of the characters given below. We have to identify the characters from the clues given. Okay, there are certain clues given. We have to identify the character. Number 1. He was the little boy who asked for more. Who asked for more. The name is Oliver Twist. Okay. Number 2. He was the headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchart and Wizardry. What is the name of the professor? Professor Albus Dumbledore. Professor Albus Dumbledore. Number 3. He was the leader of a band of pirates in Robert Louis Stevenson's Treasure Island? He was Long John Silver. The name was Long John Silver. Number 4. Created by Rudyard Kipling. His surname was O'Hara and he lived in India under the British rule. He lived in India under the British rule. His name was Kimball, also known as Kim. He was known as Kim, children. Now, in B, question number 2, we have to name the characters from famous novels. Okay? Famous novels are given and we have to name the character. Number 1. Which boy's best friends were a bear, a piglet, a tiger and a donkey? So, if you remember, there was a novel in which a boy's best friends were a bear, a piglet, a tiger and a donkey. And the name of the boy was Christopher Robin. Christopher Robin. Number 2. 4 children embark on a series of adventures in the magical land of Narnia created by C.S. Lewis. Name them. So what were the 4 children? The 4 children were Peter, Suzanne, Edmund and Lucy. Lucy the dog. Okay. Question number 3. Who tried to play truant from school by pretending to have a toothache? Who used to pretend of having a toothache? He was Tom Sawyer. Okay, he was Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. Question number 4. Who is the protagonist? Protagonist means the main character of The Hobbit, a fantasy novel by J.R.R. Tolkien. So, who was the main character in that novel? Bilbo Baggins. What was the main character's name? Bilbo Baggins. Number 5. R.K. Narayan wrote a number of stories about a mischievous boy and his friends. Who was he? What was the name of the mischievous boy? His name was Swami. R.K. Narayan wrote number of stories about this boy and his name was Swami. Number 6. Who was the little Swiss girl who had 2 goats for pets? There is a story in which a girl has 2 goats as pets. What is the name of the girl? Heidi. The name of the girl is Heidi. Question number 7. Who was the little girl who was the Kabuliwala's best friend? We all know about the story of Kabuliwala, right? Who was the girl in that story? She was Minnie. The name of the girl was Minnie. Okay, children. With this, we finish 2 pages of your computer textbook language and literature. 2 pages of your GK textbook, Page number 18 and 19. You all have to complete it in your textbook. Thank you.